Which movie character are you?
Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. I'm Lazar Džamić, the ex-Google Zoo head of brand planning for Western Europe, creative strategist, and a lecturer at several universities and business schools.
What is your professional superpower?
I believe that it's inspiration through explanation.
What social media would you use to connect with like-minded people?
I would definitely use Campfire if I can, but in the absence of that would be LinkedIn.
What it is that makes you unique?
It's not believing in any bollocks, but always kind of trying to see what's at the heart of the matter.
If you hadn't chosen this career path, what do you think you'd be doing right now?
I would like to be a rock drummer.
Which industry hot topic do you wish we would stop talking about?
Digital, definitely.
Which industry doesn't get talked about enough?
I think we don't talk enough about ethics and the social cost of marketing overall, and it's possible to do both responsibly.
And how do you inspire the next generation?
I'd like to show them what's behind the curtain and how the mind actually works so that they can do the best job that they can.